Christmas is round the corner and I'm sure kids must be super excited to decorate every corner of the house with Christmas vibes. So here comes a cute setup for your center table or any corner. And it can be easily done by the kids in just 5 minutes. So let's get started.
Hey gardening lovers, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening.
So here I'm taking this cane basket. You can take any wooden circular tray also. Now I will add some twinkling string lights to it. And then goes this artificial pomegranate tree. You can take Christmas berries or Christmas garland with few flowers on it. So the idea is to add color to the setup. I had this, so I'm using this. Now goes these cute Christmas trees which I bought online, and it's a set of 5. And then goes few pine cones all around. And for the final touch goes a cute golden star on the biggest tree. And Merry Christmas! Our cute setup is ready. I have shared all the products links you can buy online and show your creativity and decorate your house with such cute small setups. Stay tuned, many more videos are coming. Merry Christmas!